A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Hello everyone. I am Jahan Zeb and my qualification is MPhil Education from Department of Education Hazara University, Mansehra, Pakistan. Today I am going to discuss how to select or recite topic at BS level, MPhil level and PhD level. In this video, I discuss some important steps that you follow for the selection of research topic. First of all, introduction. The ability to develop a good research topic is an important skill. An instructor may assign you a specific topic, but most often instructors require you to select your own topic of interest. Be aware that selecting a good topic may not be easy. It must be narrow and focused enough to be interesting, yet broad enough to find adequate information. Before selecting your topic, make sure you know what your final project should look like. Each class or instructor will likely require a different format or style of research project. The first steps of brainstorm for ideas. Choose a topic that interests you. Use the following questions to help generate topic ideas. Do you have a strong opinion on a current social or political controversy? Did you read or see a news story recently that has piqued your interest or made you angry or anxious? Do you have a personal issue, problem, or interest that you would like to know more about? Do you have a research paper due for a class this semester? Is there an aspect of a class that you are interested in learning more about? The second step is read general background information. Read a general encyclopedia article on the top 2 or 3 topics you are considering. Reading a broad summary enables you to get an overview of the topic and see how your idea relates to the broader, narrower, and related issues. It also provides a great source for finding words commonly used to describe the topic. These keywords may be very useful to your later research. If you can't find an article on your topic, try using broader terms and ask for help from a librarian. The third step is focus on your topic. A topic will be very difficult to research if it is too broad or narrow. One way to narrow a broad topic such as the environment is to limit your topic. Some common ways to limit a topic are, for example, by geographical area, by culture, by discipline, or by population. The fourth step is make a list of useful keywords. Keep track of the words that are used to describe your topic. Look for words that best describe your topic. Look for them when reading encyclopedia article and background and general information. Find broader and narrow terms, synonyms, key concepts for key word to widen your search capabilities. Make note of these words and use them later when searching databases and catalogs. The fifth step is be flexible. It is common to modify your topic during the research process. You can never be sure of what you may find. You may find too much and need to narrow your focus, or too little and need to broaden your focus. This is a normal part of the research process. When researching, you may not wish to change your topic, but you may decide that some other aspect of the topic is more interesting or manageable. The sixth step is define your topic as a focused research question. You will often begin with a word, develop a more focused interest in an aspect of something relating to that word. Then begin to have questions about the topic. The seventh step is research and read more about your topic. Use the keywords you have gathered to research in the catalog, article, databases, and internet search engines. Find more information to help you answer your research question. You will need to do some research and reading before you select your final topic. Can you find enough information to answer your research question? Remember, selecting a topic is an important and complex part of the research process. And the eighth and last step is formulate a thesis statement. Write your topic as a thesis statement. This may be the answer to your research question and or a way to clearly state the purpose of your research. Your thesis statement will usually be one or two sentences that states precisely what is to be answered, proven, or what you will inform your audience about your topic. The development of a thesis assumes there is sufficient evidence to support the thesis statement. The title of your paper may not be exactly the same as your research question or your thesis statement, but the title should clearly convey the focus, purpose, and meaning of your research. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.